So, good afternoon, evening, morning, whatever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're healthy. I am the mainly digger. I had a great day today. So, this video is kind of a mishmash of, I had 2 hunts at Colby College with my kids where I just got them out. Like, I got a couple of coins here and there, a couple of relic-y looking things. They're not artifacts, but they look old. One was on a rugby field. One location was on a rugby field, and the other location is a place that I've gone before. It's like a picnic area or a rest stop. Anyway, I got my kids out, away from screens, into the nature. They had a good time, and that's one thing about this pandemic that always look for the good in the bad. So this pandemic horrible, but I've got to spend a lot of time with my kids, as you guys noticed in my videos. So that is fun. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed my time getting out. I enjoyed my time with my kids. But there's more to this video, and I'm going to put it all first. I did the 2 hunts, and then I was like, okay, I don't have a whole bunch of time left before I have to go to work. I'm at work right now taping this video, about to start work. So I wanted to do a drone flying video where I do my first fly and I actually get recorded flight time. And it looked like it wasn't going to happen, but then it did happen. And I recorded it. I got 2 different recordings. I got proof I flew a drone. And it was cool because my oldest was there next to me, so she's kind of watching. And it was fun. It was a good time. Just watch the video. You'll see. Mainly dig out. So I've been playing with it. I lost connection for whatever reason. Not connection, I still connect to it, I still control it. So I'm kind of moving around, playing with it. I don't have video. I have a video, but it's not of what I'm doing right now. So this is pretty cool. I'm glad I'm learning how to do it. I've had to take a couple lessons online to look at how to turn it on and stuff like that. Prepare for those videos. All right, mainly dig out. Good morning, afternoon, whatever time it is. I hope you're doing good. We are at Colby College, the outskirts of Colby College. I have permission to detect on the outskirts and some of the fields, but not on the fields. And you'll see what I mean. A great main day. It's slightly raining, but you wait 10 minutes and it'll change. We might change locations due to the raining, and I might not be metal detecting. I might go magnet fishing because of the rain, and I have my kids here, so they might mutiny. We'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna turn this around. Here is I think it's a rugby field actually. They may use it for soccer, who knows? I don't really pay that much attention. But there's also trails that goes all over. There's trails they're Colby trails that are everywhere, and they're public property. So they're public. The public can use them. So I am going to be detecting around here in this area because that's where people sit. Mainly dig out. That's interesting. It looks like a square. It's square definitely, and it looks old. That is cool. First find of the day. Very relic-y. That is awesome. It's just a spring. No idea what it's to, but that's pretty cool. Another old looking thing. GG's, how do you say archaeology?
Archaeology.
You're awesome, kiddo. I love you. Look at that bad boy. I wasn't going to dig that because it was like a 40, but I was like, oh, all right, I'll dig it because I'm not finding anything really. I found it. Found it real good. Anyway, all right, Mainly Digger. So we have moved locations because I wasn't finding anything and it was getting buggy and my kids were getting mutinous. So we definitely changed locations. Still on Colby. And if you look around, you'll notice I've been here before. My kids are over there playing by the pond. So gorgeous spot, quiet spot, great place to bring the kids. So this is a casing for a round, and it's not focusing. There we go. Casing for a round. And it's just an odd place because this, I mean, it's probably older. Before this place was a rest area at Colby. But it's an odd spot to have a round or a shell casing. Maybe dropped out of someone's pocket or out of someone's vehicle. Who knows? Anyway, it's here. First find at this spot. First coin of the day is from the 80s. I'll take it. First coin of the day. Second coin today, 1966. That is pretty cool. That looks old, but it's from the 60s. Yeah, that's a bunch of no idea. Rang up as a 70, but it was a bouncy 70. Like it was gonna be trash. No idea. Clad penny. That's pretty cool. So these are the end of the hunt review. Or this is the end of the hunt review, I should say. A lot of junk. That's just some of the junk that I picked up. A casing, which is cool. I'll clean it off and see what it says on the back. A dime, a penny, some old nails from the rugby field. Pretty sure they're nails, old square nails. They look like square nails. Call them square nails. And this quarter from 1966. I just like how it looks, how old it is. Going home, the kids are getting rebellious. So good time. See if I can get some drone footage.